What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing something a little different, I guess. Got this 85 International hood that we're going to be cutting the fenders on. Guess it's like really hard to find the headlight pods and buckets for these. It's a 85 International Eagle, I believe. So what we're doing is we're going to cut this out. We're going to make this a rounded fender. This is what the customer wants. Rounded fender, and then he's just going to buy the round headlights to mount. So, yeah, this video is just going to be me cutting this brand new hood up. What we got going on here. So originally we were gonna stay, this is like reinforced right here. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see that lip. So this is all like reinforcement. I believe the hinges mount to the front on that part. We were originally gonna leave like a ½ inch over from that, but it was swooping up too much, so we decided to cut right along that support, and now it's not quite as bad, but up here still has a little bit, so I think it's just going to have to be what it is. And now I'm going to be hitting with some 36 grit sandpaper and feathering the edges a little bit. I'm going to be feathering the edges a little bit. I don't know if you can hear me with this mask on, but I'm going to be feathering the edges with this 36. And then I'm going to come over it with some of this finer stuff just to smooth it out.